What's the meaning of coppice? Coppice. Coppice.
Coppice. Coppice. Coppice refers to a woodland management technique where trees are cut down to the ground level, allowing them to regrow from the trunk or roots. The resulting new shoots are then harvested for timber or other purposes, typically on a cycle of several years. This method is often used to produce wood for fuel, fencing, or other small-scale applications. Coppicing can also help increase biodiversity by creating new habitats for wildlife and promoting the growth of understory vegetation. Overall, coppicing is a sustainable and traditional form of forestry that can have multiple benefits for both people and nature.